Hi everyone, my name is Parul and welcome to my channel A Happier Me. Today I will be sharing 10 simple yet effective tips to transform your home atmosphere into something truly special. With these simple techniques, you can positively impact your home's energy. So let's get started. The first step is to declutter and organize. Start by decluttering each room so that you can have a clean and spacious feel. You can start with a small area, just maybe a shelf, a drawer, or part of your closet. But you need to declutter regularly to make daily tasks smoother and create a more positive vibe. We all notice when things are chaotic or when we have too much of anything, even the organized space may look untidy. So let go of some clothes that you don't wear and the multiple cooking tools that you have in your drawers that you don't use that often, or if you have duplicates of some. Organize items neatly so that they become more functional and look aesthetic. My second point is to enhance lighting. Upgrade lighting fixtures and incorporate natural light sources to brighten up your space. Opening windows to let in fresh air and sunlight can also brighten your space. I do this first thing every morning. If you can't open the windows because it's too cold outside, or if you have allergies or whatever, at least open the curtain and blinds to let the natural light come in the house. For night time, I like to go with warmer lighting for a cozy ambience because I want the lights to be softer on my eyes and not too bright and white. The third step is to add greenery. So get some indoor plants to purify the air and add a touch of nature to your home. Choose low maintenance varieties for hassle free upkeep. The snake plant provides oxygen even at night time, and this is very low maintenance plant and I highly recommend it. I also have this pothos and I absolutely love how it looks. Sometimes if you don't have enough light, you can also go with faux plants, but as much as possible, I'd like to have the natural real plants so that it just adds a positive vibe. And of course, if you have patio or backyard space or even outside your front door, try to put some nice pots and add some um, beautiful floral plants in it. And you can also add, annuals if you have yard space. So, all of this is going to uplift your mood. Whenever we look at the nature, it just creates this calming, positive effect on our mind. My next tip is to personalize with decor. Infuse your personality into your space with meaningful decor pieces that showcase your interest or maybe your travels and memories. So it creates a welcoming environment. I have a lot of these pictures from my kids' childhood and different places that we traveled, and I keep changing these pictures, every season to just change this space of this wall and just go with whatever you like. Experiment with different frames or styles that suits your interest. There isn't any one rule for interior designing. Whatever makes you feel good, you don't really have to impress anyone, but incorporate decor that is personalized, that aligns with your interest and your aesthetic. I have more of these neutral colors, lighter colors in my living room. as well as in my bedrooms because I like those colors. But again, there is no one rule. Whatever makes you feel happy, incorporate those colors, those type of decoration in your house to just create a positive and uplifting environment. I also feel that when you add personal touches like specific type of furniture or artwork, it can uplift your space both physically as well as emotionally. My fifth tip is to create cozy zones in your house. So, designate cozy nooks for relaxation and unwinding. It could be a couch with a nice pillow and a throw, or you can have a reading corner like this one that I have here. I also have this essential oil diffuser and it just calms my nerves. So, incorporate different types of plush rugs and comfortable seating and soft textiles to encourage moments of serenity. I have a couple of my favorite corners in my house where I sit and relax with a cup of tea and a good book. On the similar lines, let's move on to the next tip, which is aromatherapy. Utilize essential oils or candles to introduce pleasant scents throughout your home. I have this essential oil diffuser that just fills my space with a nice scent while I'm working on my laptop or cooking. You can use automatic scent diffuser like this one. It sprays regularly and you can change the interval like how frequently you want it to spray. And I put it in my bathroom, and every time anybody enters my bathroom, they always love the scents, and it just neutralizes any odors and keeps my bathroom smelling great. Also, I have this reed diffuser. This one is partially effective. You do have to put essential oil in this container here, but that's another way to make your house smell great, and it brings like some type of freshness to your space. So yeah, experiment with different type of calming fragrances like lavender or eucalyptus or maybe like tea tree oil. I love this rosemary essential oil from my bedroom before I go to bed. It just is so calming and also is good for sleep. Even adding fresh flowers to your vase will be nice to have some freshness in the air, and you don't have to always go and buy the expensive ones from the store, but even like roses from your garden would do the trick. My next tip is to play with textures. I have incorporated a variety of textures such as linen, this fabric right here on my pillow, like felt, as well as wood to add depth and visual interest. So, mix and match textures for a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. And as you can see, I also have different textured lampshades as well as flower pots and decorative accents. And this is the door that my husband made, and it looks very nice, rustic. We have not painted it and left it the raw wood feel, and I absolutely love it in my bedroom. My next tip is to maintain cleanliness. It is very important to regularly clean and maintain your home so that it stays inviting. Implement cleaning routine so that you have a tidy and refreshed space at all times. There is no one routine fits all But try to give at least 15 minutes a day on tidying up your space and cleaning the kitchen if you cook often. Of course, with families with little kids, there will be more work for them, so 15 minutes a day may not be enough. So, you have to adjust your routine, especially if you are a working person, uh, to do maybe 10 minutes of cleanup throughout the day. Maybe 2 to 3 times a day will be good for families. Whereas someone who's living alone and may do not have kids would be okay cleaning only 15 minutes a day and tidying up their bedroom and wherever they sit mostly. Making your bed first thing in the morning or before you leave for work is one key habit that will help you get into that cleaning mode. So I have two non negotiable habits that I follow every single day, whether or not I'm motivated for it. It is to make my bed, and second is to clean my kitchen thoroughly before I go to bed. So that next morning when I wake up to a clean kitchen. The next habit that I have is about your moods and habits. Remember, you have a significant influence on your home's mood. Be intentional with your actions, thoughts, and words to have a positive atmosphere. Be mindful of what you let in your home, like what types of shows you watch regularly. This can influence your mood. Also, what type of books that you read. So, pick up books that are empowering, that are inspiring, so that they foster a positive environment. And my last tip for today is to pray and be grateful. Spend time praying for peace and gratitude in your home. Pray for your family and be grateful for all the things that are going well. This creates a positive environment and the one with hope. I'm a Hindu person by religion, and I notice when I pray and thank God for all the things that they have given me, my mood immediately becomes happier. I also have some books in my house, such as Bhagavad Gita, that teaches us the importance of your actions, your karma. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope by implementing these tips, you will undoubtedly elevate the ambience of your home so that you create a space where you can truly thrive and relax. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like it and share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more such tips. And I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.